teaser for soap to come. Let's see. I really need to stop doing this. Oh! I'm going to have to take this out of here because this one's super cool. There's a lot of little tiny molds here. I'm going to be working on a fisherman's soap, and my molds finally arrived. So I've got a little fish, a big fish here, an itty bitty fish there like a bluegill, a fish there. Not sure what that is. Not sure what that is, but there's another little fish there, and a fishing pole, and a hat. I'm guessing that's like the top of an old-fashioned tackle box. And then here's a little tackle box thing that they carry around. Some fishermen do, like fly fishermen. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to figure that out. But this is really fun. I can't wait to do a fisherman's soap. Probably do it in anise. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing this and what I do with it, come on back to my soapy kitchen, and we'll get creative together. See you next time. Bye for now.